All right, people of the internet. So it's June 22, 2022. So that means it's a new mini bike season. So let's have a look at the bike. Not a whole lot has changed this season. The main thing is my headlight bulb burned out after 15 plus years, and so I replaced it with two LEDs. They're brighter, but they kind of flicker because it runs off a charging coil and there's no battery. But it looks kind of cool. You know, I like the old setup, but this was brighter, and the incandescent bulb was $8, and I got two of these for like less than 15, so it seemed to make sense. Rest of the bike, just changed the oil, lubed up the chain, tightened it. The tires didn't lose any air, and so yeah, the rest of it's pretty much the same. So let's I'll clip you onto the chest harness and we'll go for a little ride. Always wear your helmet. Safety first. This thing's awesome. It'll probably start in one pull with the choke on. This we bought this bike in 2005, so this thing's really, really old. Bought it at Pep Boys for like $400 or $450. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, the track's a little different this year because we have a school bus now, so I had to make a path around it. And we also dug up the pond a little bit, so I don't have a path around the pond, but we'll fix all that. So I like to just warm it up, going nice and easy, and we'll just do one more lap around the yard for a warm up, and we'll give it the beans. Best 500 bucks I ever spent.